You ever notice how the people who talk the most, argue the loudest, and constantly need attention are usually the weakest in the room? Meanwhile, the real ones, the ones who actually hold power, move in silence. The wealthiest people, they don't flex. They let their results talk. The most dangerous fighters, they don't boast. They wait, observe, and strike. The most respected leaders, they don't dominate conversations. They speak only when necessary. Silence isn't weakness, it's control. And once you learn how to use it, you'll command respect, power, and influence without ever needing to raise your voice. Most people fear silence. They rush to fill it with pointless words and empty noise. But silence, it's a weapon. The loudest person in the room is usually the weakest. When someone talks too much, it's insecurity trying to hide as confidence. Real power doesn't need validation. It's felt before it's heard. The ones who can't stop talking, they're revealing everything about themselves without realizing it. Silence forces people to respect you. When you only speak when necessary, people pay attention when you do. Your words carry more weight because they aren't wasted. The strongest leaders don't need to demand respect. They command it with their presence alone. You become unpredictable. When you talk too much, people learn your thoughts, your plans, your weaknesses. But when you stay silent, they don't know what you're thinking, and that gives you the upper hand. But most people don't get this. They think being silent means being passive, when in reality, it's one of the strongest tools you can use. Silence isn't just about power, it's about protection. Here's why the most successful people operate in silence. You build in private, win in public. Nobody can steal your ideas, sabotage your moves, or block your blessings if they don't know what you're doing. When you keep your progress private, you make it impossible for negativity to interfere. You protect your energy. Most people talk just to hear themselves. Meaningless conversations drain you. Engaging in pointless debates and arguments is a waste of time. Silence keeps you focused on what actually matters. You control conversations without speaking much. People naturally fill silence. If you don't rush to speak, others will reveal more than they intended. Use that to your advantage. Listen, observe, let others expose themselves. So how do you start mastering silence and using it as a weapon? Knowing why silence is powerful is one thing, but knowing how to use it, that's where the real game changes. Talk less, observe more. Most people listen to respond, but the strongest listen to understand. The more you watch and listen, the more you learn, while everyone else just waits for their turn to talk. Only speak when it's necessary. Weak people think they need to talk to be heard. Strong people know that when they do speak, people listen. Quality over quantity. Make your words count. Keep your plans to yourself. The less people know about your next move, the harder it is for them to stop it. When you reveal your goals and dreams, you expose them to doubt, negativity, and jealousy. Move in silence. Win in public. The less you say, the more power you have. The more you observe, the more you understand. And the more you build in silence, the bigger the impact when you finally show up. Still not convinced? Look at the people who run the world. They don't talk about power. They hold it. Billionaires don't announce their next move. They make it happen. The best fighters don't waste words. They strike at the right moment. The most respected leaders don't force their way into conversations. They let their presence do the talking. Silence is confidence. Silence is strategy. Silence is power. Weak people need to be heard. Strong people move in silence. If you want to command respect, Build power and control your own energy. Stop wasting words. Let people wonder. Let people underestimate you. And when the time is right, let your results speak for themselves. Move in silence. Build in silence. And when you do speak, make sure the whole world listens. Subscribe for more high-performance mindset content and follow me for daily success tips.